Hello and welcome. Hopefully by this point you've already gone through several of these items here for Google Classrooms. You've already done the Welcome to Algebra 2, you've looked at the syllabus, you've taken the syllabus quiz, and now you're ready to kind of start your online homework. And our homework will be through an external site called Canvas. And it will be that way all year long, not just during this online portion of schooling. Okay, so you'll need to have a Canvas account. So if you click on this button here, this is where it says, okay, log into Canvas. You click this and it will bring you to this Canvas site here. Now you don't have an account right now, so it's a little bit hard to log in the first time. So let me kind of just walk you through that. All right, so right here it says need a Canvas account. Click here, it's free. That's you. Okay, now you can watch this video if you'd like, and it's a little bit a video and it's absolutely a waste of time. Just skip that. Don't even worry about that. Go right here to I'm a student. Now it's going to ask you for the join code. If you were going through the syllabus, you saw the join code there. If you didn't, let me just quickly go back to the syllabus here, and I can click on this syllabus, and right down here gives me the join code, this NDG P9M. Okay, that's your join code, so you're going to enter that in here. There we go. Full name. Okay, now here's the way I want you to write your name. This is very specific. You need to write your first name, space, last name. We don't want anything cute or fancy, right? We don't want any nicknames here. First name, space, last name, according to how it is on PowerSchool, and that's going to make it easier on me whenever I go through and enter your grades because you're going to have that, okay? Username. Here's what I recommend as your username. I would recommend that you use your Heritage username or a Gmail. One of the two will work fine. Okay, just use any other Gmail that you've got, but make sure that your username is an email address. Okay, and the reason why, and then set your passcode up, and the reason why here is, let me back up one stage here, is when you go to log in, it's going to ask for your email, and that's really asking for your username. But if you just type in your username as your email, that's going to make it so much easier. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to log in. And as you log in for the first time, you may have something up here that says, will you accept to join the Algebra 2? You may have to click that. And then right here's your class. Just click on it. This is your Algebra 2. Welcome to Algebra 2. Okay, we're excited to have you. All of your homework is going to be under this Assignments tab. Okay, and I'm going to attempt to put a link in there. If it works, it's going to work out really nice. You just click on that link and that'll take you right to your homework. If not, that's okay. All of these are under your Assignments tab. This is all of your homework right here. First day of school homework. This is the homework that you need to complete. I'm going to just kind of walk you through it right now, just to kind of show you a little bit about this homework system. Okay, now yours will say take the quiz, and that's what you want, okay? And here it is. Rewrite this expression in expanded form. So we learned this in Algebra 1. If you're freaking out right now and you're going, oh wait, I have no idea how to do scientific notation. I totally forgot. That's okay. If you notice right here, there is a video, and the same thing is going to be true on your homework. It's a video of how to do a very similar problem. Now, I wanted to lower the anxiety, so what I did on this one is I did a video of the exact same problem. Okay, so you can just click it right here, and this will play the video in the browser, okay? So you don't even have to leave. That's me there. Okay, once you have come up with your answer, then you write your answer here, okay? And you can write your answer. I'll leave that up to you there, okay? This is a very easy one. What's 2 plus 4? 2 plus 4 is 6. There we go. It couldn't get any easier than that. Solve this one. And if you don't know how to do it, right here is a video, and that's what makes it nice. So just click that video. Notice a couple things here. Notice, let's say that you decided the answer to this one was A. So you want to select your answer of A. Notice how these are not in order. I purposely do that. I want to make sure, number one, that you're paying attention, and number two, that we can change the order of these selections here. So if you believe it's A, just put A. I'm just filling this in right now, okay? This one just says, what number do I write up there at exactly 1 minute and 12 seconds in? Whatever number I wrote on the whiteboard at that, I just want to make sure that your video is working is really what I'm looking for. And number 5, what is the best team in the NFL? So you're going to write all these, and of course that's the Denver Broncos. Fantastic, right? Best team in the NFL. When you're done, you hit submit. Now, it's going to tell me on this one I have 2 unanswered questions. That's okay for me for right now, because I know I've missed those, and that's not a big deal. But what I want to do is, you want to make sure on yours that you do them all. Once you hit submit, it's going to give you a grade on this one. I scored 3 out of 5. Actually, I didn't do too bad. 3 out of 5 on this one, and if you miss it, Then what we do is I give you a worked out solution on how to do that problem. Okay, so when you miss it, just pay attention to that. It is a computer that's grading this. So you notice how there are lots of different correct answers. The Broncos, Denver Broncos, the Denver Broncos, capitalized, not capitalized. I'm trying to make it as easy as possible so that if a normal person would answer that one, then it will get it right, okay? So that's all I'm looking for here. And now if you truly don't believe it's the Denver Broncos, it will mark you wrong. So go back in and redo that one. I want to take you to your homework here. Let's see. I'm going to go back up just a little bit. And again, all of your homework is going to be done through Canvas. Okay, here we go. This is going to be your first homework after the first night of school. Your second day, you're going to do this one, okay? You click on this one, and this will bring up your actual homework that you're going to be doing, okay? So you're going to click on Take the Quiz. Here we go. Use the distributive property. And so you're going to write whatever your answer is here, okay? If you believe it's 3x, and that's your answer. By the way, that's not the answer. But if you believe that's your answer, no problem, write that down. And you're going to complete all of these. These will have videos on them as well. And when you're done, you're going to hit Submit the Quiz. Of course, it's going to tell you I've got a lot that I haven't answered, and that's okay for right now. Okay, now, again, if you miss it, and this is the incorrect answer, click on this link right here, and this will bring up a worked out solution of that exact problem. My goal in this class is to ensure that you know how to do this. If you're going to put in the time, that you know how to do it. So I've put videos on all of these, and I've put worked out solutions on every one. Now, just because this was the homework that was assigned on this student, this trial student, if you will, it is not going to be your same homework. I set it up where it randomly assigns you problems. So you're going to have different problems than everybody else in the class. And that's okay. That just kind of cuts down on the cheating and allows you to have an opportunity to cycle through them. Okay, let's say you do this and you complete your homework and there's a possible 40 points, okay? And you score a 38 out of 40 and you're like, good, yes, that was good, but I really wanted 100%. If you click Take the Quiz again, it will give you all 40 problems, and it's going to randomly assign you these 40 problems again. That gets to be cumbersome because now you have to do, I say 40 problems, it's 20 problems, 40 points. That means you're going to have to do all 20 problems again. I don't want you to have to do that. So what I've done is under the assignments, if you look right here, it says Review Solving Equations. And right next to that one, I have extra credit, Review Solving Equations. If you click on this one, it gives you extra credit problems that you can work on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take your score on your traditional homework and your extra credit, and I'm going to combine those two together. And that will be your grade for that assignment. Okay, now there is a maximum. Traditionally, you have 60 points on every homework. You can earn a maximum of 75 out of 60. So that's great news. You can earn an extra 15 extra credit points every single assignment. For the first couple, I do it really small just to kind of get you eased into the Canvas aspect of it, okay? But just know that this is where we're going to do homework every single night in this class. I will have worked out solutions, and I'll have example videos that I'm going to paste on there. So this way you can get in there and you can watch it all and you can see it all. Hopefully you find that it's helpful. Again, during the first weeks here while we're online, I'm going to have office hours. So if you go back into your Google Classroom right here, let's close this little portion here. And it doesn't really matter where, even if you click on this first day of school homework, class meeting, just join that. Every morning, Monday through Thursday, from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m., I hold office hours. Join me there, and I'll help you through any of these problems, any of this online Canvas thing I can walk you through. I'm happy to do it. I'm excited for this class. So thank you for taking the time to learn a little bit more about homework. Please let me know if you have any questions.